Hi everyone, welcome back to Code Circuit Lab. Today, we'll talk about the difference between a bit and a byte. Let's see the video and I'll be back. A bit is the smallest unit of data in a computer. It can only have two values, 0 or 1. A byte is made up of 8 bits. With 8 bits, you can represent 256 different values ranging from 0 to 255. So, when you see file size or memory like 1 kilobytes or 1 megabytes, it's based on bytes. However, when you have the internet speed or data rate like 1 megabits per second or 1 gigabits per second, it's based on bits. Simple, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more digital basics. Thank you.